God, time forever changed. Everything, Lord. My life is not my Say it again from your heart.
One thing that I've desired of you, and that will I seek after, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord forever. May dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Yeah. One thing that I desire, that I will say.
Of the Lord, is that place, inspiration, motivation, revelation, everything that I need, everything we need is in the presence of the Lord. I can find patience, understanding, everything that I need. That's why just one day with you is better than 1,000. I wanna be with you. Come on, say it. Just one day with you.
Is what they think you're like, but I've heard the tender whisper of love, the dead of who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are, and I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. You are the Prince of Peace, Son of I am that I am. So I sacrificial lamb. So I